Hello, friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Our topic in this video is about how to create Gmail account on desktop. To create Gmail account first, open Google Chrome. Here click on account icon. Then here click on sign into Chrome. And here click on create account. Then here click on for my personal use. Type here first name. And then type here last name. And click on next. Select here your birthday month. And type here date. And then type here year. And then click on gender. And select here gender. And click on next. And then create here email address. And click on next. And then here create password. And click on confirm password. And again type here same password. And click on next. Then here scan the QR code with your phone. So open the QR and barcode reader in your phone. And scan this QR code. And copy link from here. And then open Google Chrome. And here paste the link. And search. And then here click on send SMS. And click on send. Wait for verification here. When verified, then type here recovery email address, if you have another Gmail account. Otherwise click on skip. So here I click on skip. Here click on next. And here scroll down. And click on I agree. And then here click on continue. And select here storage option. So I select here this option. And click on continue. And then select here country. And type phone number. And click on add phone. Here click on continue. Enter here code, which will be sent to you by phone number. And click on next. And here scroll down. And click on done. And here click on continue. Then here scroll down. And mark here it. And click on I agree. Then here scroll down. And click on next. Here click on allow this time. And then here scroll down. And click on start. Then here turn your head first to the right, then to the left. So the verification will start here. When it is complete, then click on OK. And here I go back. And click on close. So here your Gmail account has been created. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And press the bell icon to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.